Now that you've got a packet that's complete and all of the source documents uploaded, it's time to do a projection. There are lots of different projections you can do. Some of them for a test or a physical you can do on your own. But for a projection like this, which is an enlistment projection, before you can project, you have got to perform the NCOIC checkpoint. And when you do that, it will send your applicant's information. It will send your NCOIC an email saying that this packet has been built, and I, as a recruiter, am pretty sure it's ready for you to look at. They will look at it. They will approve it. How they'll do that is they'll go to scan and upload documents from their workstation, and they'll come down and see every document that's been sent to them, and it will become accepted. There are some other options. It can be accepted, it can be not accepted, it can be rejected or pending. When you sent them up, it all said pending. When it comes back to you, they'll all be accepted if everything works right. If everything is accepted, you scroll down and see that they are all accepted. You save that. Then you go to process checkpoint. This is a detailed look. The most important status for you when you're making a projection is that your NCOIC has completed their inspection of your packet, and that icon is green. You have a go packet. You can, if you wish, go down and look at checkpoint detail. Checkpoint detail will allow you to look at each individual document and its status. They were all accepted. Once you've got this green icon from your NCOIC, you are now clear to send a projection to MEPS. You click on the project, and the service we're processing for all of us as National Guard recruiters is DAG. An aptitude test is required for enlistment. They're not asking whether one has been taken or is required. Just, is one required to enlist? Yes. Is a medical required for enlistment? Yes. The processing MEPS for our purposes, Dallas, Texas, and the processing date. We're going to send this individual down on the 28th of April. Does an ASVAB need to be taken? Nope. One's required for enlistment, but it's already been taken. Going to enlist? Nope. Special testing required? No. Physical required? Yes. Now there's a MEPS physical dated 12 February 2020. So we don't need to take a physical. One has been administered already. The processing purpose, the purpose for this projection is enlistment. Set the arrival time. Is travel required to get to MEPS? And if so, what type? Most often it's government vehicle. Will lodging be required? In this case, no. Any remarks that you want them to see, our applicant is good to go. We're going to validate the projection, make sure we did it right. It's going to chew on it. It says review. It's not telling you have errors. It's telling you, hey, make sure this information gets reviewed before you commit to this projection. Everything looks good. We make our projection. It will transmit to the Dallas MEPS for this applicant. And it shows 28 April 2020, a successful projection. It also lists any other projections that have been made previously. We return, and the projection is complete.